Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to it. I do beauty related videos and sometimes skincare and hair care also. So in today's video, I'm showing you a simple date makeup look. Now because of the lipstick color, it is looking like I have done so much. It is a little loud and bold kind of lipstick shade, but because it was about to match my dress, whatever I'm wearing. But still, what you can do with this kind of lip shade and the tie you're having, I have done everything according to this lip color actually. And because it is a daytime look, I do not wear kajal on daytime in daily basis. So I have this liner look like here. And it is also bold, I know, but yes, you can wear this. So if you're going out with someone for a date, you can do this look. I know this is a little loud, but it's okay if you like this. And I am keeping my jewelry light for this thing. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. So at first I'm taking my Lakmé primer, and I have taken a little amount and going to apply it, especially my center of face where I have pores issues. Next, I am taking my 925 Lakmé CC cream. This is quite thick but really blendable. It goes with my oily skin very well. And this Mausam we are having right now. And it's quite blendable, as you can see. I'm taking a bit more for more coverage where I need. I do have pimple marks, so I'm taking a little amount more and doing everything with my fingers. Next, I have taken this Pose HD Banana Powder. This is by my glamm. And I'm going to take my brush. This is quite handy to use. And I'm going to apply a very light layer of this because this is quite nice, very lightweight, and a little goes a long way. Very nice. Next, I have taken this NYB Contour Stick. This is in the shade number 14 Chestnut. And as you can see, I am doing a very light lines because this was a day look. So I did a very light contouring and blended it. Next, I have taken this Swiss Beauty eyebrow kit. Here I'm retouching and creating some lines. I like to overdo my eyebrows like that. This makes everything look so nice. Next is this wing eyeliner, and for this I have taken the Swiss Beauty gel eyeliner. I am quite happy and handy with brushes, so I always take brush tip liners and apply like that. And I always usually go for thick eyeliners. You can go for thin eyeliner if you want, but I personally like thick liners, and with this look, this went very well. So I have done like this. Next, I am taking my Lakmé brush liner, insta liner basically, and I am giving a finishing touch for that. Yes, you sometimes need 2 to 3 eyeliners for the same look. And this is how it looks now. Next, I have taken this Hilary Rhoda lip liner. Very affordable and good in quality. This is in the shade brown. And I'm going to line my lips with this and fill it in. Filling actually makes your lips look pouty. More pouty actually. And now this thing is the main thing of this look. The lipstick. This is the Maybelline Ink Matte in the shade Artist. And now I have taken the blush. This is the SFR pink blush. Very affordable, good in quality and pigmentation, as you can see. And I have applied a very light layer. Next, I am going to curl my lashes. Use any curler and then apply. Alright, I hope you liked this video, liked the look and enjoyed it. And if you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel again. And I am on Instagram and LinkedIn also. All the links will be in the description bar. You can check it out. And I'll see you in my next video.